What is going on? And for my trade of the week, I call this pound AUD buy off this double bottom rejection. The reason I called this buy is because we were around daily areas of support and scaling down to our 5 hour time frame where the trade was executed. I was really enticed by this shift in direction. So right away I was looking for buys. So the next question is, where are we going to be placing these buys? And I can see we've respected this zone in the past, and we were betting if price rejects and holds above this zone, we're going to get that same reaction. So this was our trigger candle off of the 5 hour, and literally the next day we woke up in profits. I think there was barely any drawdown, and a few hours after that, price ended up hitting our final target. So 180 pips, and I believe there was some pound news that took this pair and a lot of other pairs even further. Right. So great trade for 180 pips, and you guys can see again right into profits and into TP a few hours after that.
I sent out a signal on gold, but obviously you guys know that I am bullish on gold. Just wanted to let you guys know that I'm taking this trade and the reasons why my buy is bullish. But definitely we are seeing, a nice push to the upside with a lot of momentum, breaking above all these highs, as you guys can see. Not only forming bullish structure because, that already was established a long time ago. I have been talking about, that bullish structure being formed and building strongly, so we have a good structure to the upside, right? And this whole move to the upside did break above every single high possible. We're talking on a smaller scale, like, well, daily time frame, right? At the end of the day, we all want to work with the direction of the market rather than just, guessing where would the top be or where would those valleys be. I'd rather, trade with direction until the market proves me wrong. So in this case scenario, I am expecting a slight pullback. This is a slight pullback, but given that we have that much momentum, this can be a potential wick, and also this candlestick pattern just not showing me. It's not showing me any reversal right here. So I am keen to keep on buying this market. You know, that being said, and on the 4 hour, really we don't see anything on the 4 hour other than still highs being broken. This candle right here set the tone for this nice retracement coming back down to this structure area. I think 1848, 1850s was a nice area to keep on buying this market, but I kind of like failed to acknowledge that on Friday, and you know kind of got eaten. I wanted to sell the market right at the rejection of this area right here, which is the 1857, and shorted the market. I went into profit, grabbed some profits, and then I wanted to short it again, but I kept on hitting break even, so I let it go. This candle right here set the tone. So I was looking at this market. I in this buys at 1858, which I like it because we have previous structure. So if indeed we do respect this area, we'll have a nice little lower high, higher low, and this will be another higher low right here. So, but if you're not in this trade, hold that limit and then wait for more confirmations. I would say go down to the 15 minutes, and what the 15 minutes is going to do is going to play around this area. So we're gonna build some consolidation, which is good. That's healthy market behavior. So once we build that consolidation, we expect to break above it, above the consolidation, and perhaps a pullback, and you can enter this market. Other than that, I think that if I'm expecting, and if we see what I'm expecting, then we'll see the market weaken down here. Put us, trigger this order and put us into profit. Okay. But expect a little bit of consolidation going through this session, and then during London session, we'll see a nice push to the upside.
It's about 28 points of risk. Pretty high risk. You could probably get away with even a smaller stop loss, somewhere like above this zone. So stop loss, you can do 370, 16,370. So as it breaks back in, we'll basically hold this trade. And the rest is, we just got to be patient. Ladies and gents, that's that entry. We got a great entry. What I'm looking to do right now is to see if we get one more pullback. If we don't, I think this thing is just honestly just going to break through. If you're on YouTube and you took the NAS 100, put it in the YouTube comments, please. All right, quick review of the NAS 100 trade from the live stream. We were looking for longs at the support level that had formed right before the market opened. Price faked down. And then on the way back in, we ended up catching a great entry. Price ended up spiking up. We caught about 370 pips. We secured partial profits. The market actually ended up coming back and hitting our break even right before the stream ended. Shot back up for one more try and then ended up breaking through. And when it broke through, it broke to one of our higher time frame levels. So this previous area of structure got retested. And then on the way back up, just like we talked about, that 16,410 level ended up getting retested for that push to new highs. So the original entry was right here at 16,385. We ended up getting 370 pips. Market came back, hit our break even, and then price rebounded, respected that same price level that we bought from, broke, and then retested that 16,410 level that we talked about for a re-entry. We ended up getting a fake down first, but that retest at 16,410 was the re-entry for new highs.